Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a morning routine summer edition. I always wanted to show you guys my morning routine just because I love it so much and I feel like it's the most productive and easy chill morning routine, but I wanted to give it a little twist for the summer and show you what I do differently when it's summertime. Obviously, the first thing I do when I wake up is drinking water. You need to hydrate. This is something I never skip, so I always have a water bottle by my side to sip on when I wake up. And then I obviously open the blind, open the window, let the fresh air get in, and I make the bed. And then since it's summer, we have lots of veggies growing in the garden, so I go ahead and open the greenhouse to let the air circulate, and at the same time I get to see the sun and just breathe in the fresh air, and it's so much better than going straight to your phone in the morning. And then it's time to refill my water bottle for the morning, and I'm only noticing this right now, but my belly looks a little bloated. It's because it was before my period. Just anticipating some thoughts, even though I shouldn't, but anyway. So then I make my breakfast. Something that changes during summertime is the fact that I won't be doing my coffee right away, just because I like to have it later, and you'll see why. Usually for breakfast I go for savory and salty food, or sometimes I'll make sweet food with a yogurt bowl. And then I sit at my desk. I know this isn't the most mindful practice, but I let myself have something nice to enjoy in the morning because it makes me want to get up and actually do my morning routine. So I like to have some time that I'll be excited about. For me, watching vlogs in the morning, and then I move on to making my to-do list for the day. So on days I want to be productive, I find it really helpful to at least get everything out of my head and onto paper. I actually also do it on my Notion page, so it's kind of double. And then it's time for my skincare. What I've been doing lately, I didn't show it here, but it's oil pudding with coconut oil. And then I brush my teeth. I used to brush my teeth after breakfast, but apparently it's better to do it before. And yeah, so I do this, and then I go through my entire skincare. I do my skincare twice a day, in the morning and at night. Then I go ahead and change into workout clothes. What I've been loving to do in summer is waking up super early to go on a podcast walk. So I'm changing. I also did a hair mask in my hair because I had to wash my hair this day. I'm going to do my coffee because I saw Kaylee Stewart doing this, and she basically gets her coffee to go and goes on her walk in the morning, and I wanted to try it, and I love it because I'm not wasting time at my desk drinking, sipping on my coffee, because then it gets so hot here in the morning, and I don't want to be walking when it's super hot outside. So yeah, I'm just making myself a coffee to go. Obviously that won't be for every day. I also like sometimes to just stay at home and sip on my coffee and do a workout later in the day. But yeah, I thought it was really fun, so I went on my little podcast walk and I was sipping my coffee. Then I sat down and enjoyed the view and the fresh air. It was really nice. Something that's new in my morning routine this year is to go in the swimming pool right after my workout or my podcast walk. So whenever I did a physical workout, I just take like 10 minutes or 15 minutes just to get in the pool, swim a little bit, just relax, and it's such a good feeling during summer. I've also made an effort into reading outside instead of just being inside and reading, just so that I can soak up the sun and the vitamins. Okay guys, I just finished my everything shower. I even did my hair because it needed a wash, and now I'm about to get ready for the day. I'm not someone who wears makeup like every single day. I wear makeup only if I'm going out or if I am like filming a video, and yeah, but lately I've been really trying, especially because I work from home now, and I like to feel put together, so I'm making an effort lately to just do a very light makeup to start the day. So just going to do some concealer, and yeah, for now my morning routine has been so good because it's finally summer, and I feel like my morning routine kind of shifts from like regular one to a summer one. I don't know, it's just so fun to adapt to each seasons. As you saw in the video, I went to do my morning podcast walk, and I've been obsessed with these lately. And I try to go very early in the morning just because after like 9 a.m. it gets so hot in here and it's just unbearable. So yeah, I'm trying to go very early. Also, something funny that happened this morning is I checked my phone to see the time, and I don't know why my brain saw 8:30 and I was like, oh my god, I'm late to my morning. And then I was like, it's fine, I'm just gonna have a late start today, because I was supposed to wake up at 7:30. And then I check my phone much later and I realized that it's only like 7:50, and I was like, how is that possible? And then I realized it was 6:30, so I woke up an hour early, which I'm not mad about because I really had the time to do my morning routine and take my time with everything, not be rushed. But yeah, so I hope you like this morning routine so far, summer edition. I thought it would be nice to do something a little different. And yeah, I'm just going to finish getting ready and then I'm gonna start the day. Okay guys, so that was my morning routine, summer edition. I hope you liked it. I am now just going to start working and I'll be doing some admin work and some planning, and yeah, that's just my morning. I usually do admin and planning in the morning because I'm most creative with like writing actual content at like in the evening actually, and I like to film in the afternoon. So yeah, right now it's gonna be some computer work, and then I'm gonna have lunch, and that will be it. I think for lunch it's pizza, so that's so summer. But yeah, I hope you like this little morning routine summer edition, and I'll see you next week with another video. Take care, bye.